Good afternoon and welcome to the Perkins Garages YouTube channel for another instalment of Dan's quickfire 5-minute. This is definitely not going to be 5-minute walk around videos, and we finally have one. The new Ford Capri Premium in vivid yellow. This is the extended range model, which features a 78 kilowatt hour battery which can deliver up to 370 miles of combined driving and 290 miles of motorway driving. The electric battery feeds the rear motors, which produce 286 PS of power and 542 Newton meters of torque. This vehicle is registered on a 74 registration, meaning it will be taking the Ford manufacturer warranty till November 2027. The battery is covered under the 8-year 100,000 mile manufacturer warranty also. This particular vehicle has done just 4,600 miles, and in the next 5 minutes or so I'm going to tell you all about it. So arriving at the front there, we can see some rather beautiful LED daytime running lights, which also are the Ford Matrix glare-free LED headlights. You've got some wonderful LEDs with built-in front fog lights as well. Moving ourselves around the front, we've got front parking sensors, and just underneath the number plate there is a front-facing radar, which is responsible for some of the driver assistance pack, such as pre-collision assist and lane assist. Beautiful Capri badging at the front there. We've got gloss black trims with the white Ford badge, and just underneath there a front-facing camera. This vehicle boasts 4 cameras, one at the front, one in either wing mirror and one at the rear, to give 360-degree parking cameras. We're going to move ourselves around now to these beautiful 20-inch aero alloy wheels that are in an aerodynamical shape to lower the coefficient of drag, extending your range. These are 20 inches, as I've just said, and they are fitted with the Continental Eco Contact 6Q tyres. And where they've only done 4,000 miles of work, they're in very good condition. Drawing your attention up to the windscreen quickly, we have a projector here, which is like the old head-up display, but without the perspex screen. It's now projected onto the windscreen itself, so you can see all of the essential driver information, such as your speed and the adaptive cruise control, and the traffic sign recognition camera will display the traffic speed signs on your windscreen or digital driver display ahead of you. There's also a light sensor for the auto high beam and a rain sensor for rain sensing wipers. The mirrors again have cameras at the bottom of them. They have the gloss black mirror covers. They are power folding and heated, and also include blind spot assist monitors as part of the driver assistance pack. Drawing your attention up to the roof now, that is a fixed panoramic glass opening roof. That lets an abundance of beautiful light into the cabin. On the door handles, we have one touch keyless entry. Tap behind the door handle to unlock, and tap again to then lock once again. I've got to mention about the mirrors. Underneath there is some beautiful Capri puddle lights as well, so in the dark you get a lovely Capri symbol on the floor. Now the vivid yellow goes really well with the black wheels, the rear privacy glass, and obviously the fixed panoramic black roof. The offside rear is where the vehicle is charged from, and in using a DC charger, which is the rapid charging, so you'll be using the entirety of this charging port, in 28 minutes you can go from 10 to 80%. So if you're charging in public, you can charge in no time at all. For all other charging times, please visit the Ford manufacturer website, where you can see all the different charging times, and I'll show you the charger supplied in just a second. We're now at the offside rear of the vehicle, where I'm just going to gently rock the camera down, hopefully displaying how beautiful all the body panels are. Wonderful. Not forgetting to show the offside rear, like so. Now we can start making our way around the rear. So we have rear parking sensors to complement the fronts, and a rear parking camera, which looks fantastic on the new 14.6 inch display. There's the camera. I'll look inside in a second, but let me just do the near side before we do. Again, some exceptional bodywork. It's in lovely condition, and I'm a big fan of this colour also. There we are, and that's now the near side rear. And now we can follow it all the way down to the near side front. Magical. Now let's just go into the rear now. So we have a power tailgate, so clicking on the button just underneath next to the camera will open up the tailgate space. You've got a very generously sized boot, different cubby holes underneath as well, so you can multi-height, so you can slide this down if you need an extended volume as well. Little bits of spec there, such as the 12 volt socket, the ski hatch all the way through, And like I just said, this is the charger supplied with the vehicle. This is called a Type 2 charger. This will charge roughly at your property about 7 kilowatts an hour. If you need help with charger installations or timings or anything like that, please do give us a call. The power tailgate can be shut once again from the button on the left hand side of the boot sill. Into the rear of the vehicle now, starting off with the door cards. Lovely hardware in plastic, leading into soft touch armrests. We obviously have your first window switch of the 4. Beautiful ebony leather, all defined with that lovely cross stitch pattern. We have ISO fixing on the offside and again on the near side rear. Pull the middle centre armrest down to be cup holders or an armrest. Capri mats already on the floor, good to go. We have rear USB-C charging ports and rear air conditioning ports as well. And into the front of the vehicle, where it's currently bibbing at me because I've left the ignition on and the key running, just so I can show you the lights at the front. So let me just bypass that. So starting on the driver's door card as well. So this is where you can see all of your mirror adjustment and folding mirrors as well, and heated mirrors, and 2 front windows there. And we also have a button there for the power tailgate. Now showing you the driver's seats. These are 2 heated seats. They're incredibly comfortable, and we have a 3-way memory function on those for good measure. As you can see there are the electric adjustments. We also have the memory control there, and I believe that is the driver's seat massaging function. Lovely Capri badging and 4 badging on the seat as well. Now showing you the dash. This has an incredible Bang & Olufsen Pro audio system. So that section there is a sound bar, so it gives you some incredible quality sound on the vehicle. This is your lighting cluster, where all your lights going to be adjusted from. Then up to the digital driver display. As you can see, it gives you a digital speedo, and it goes all your adaptive cruise control to the left hand side, charging batteries to the bottom, and your gear selector indicator to the right hand side. There's no dial in the middle of the vehicle. Your gear selector indicator is now on the right hand side, so you can see your drive, neutral, reverse and P at the end, with your power button on the right hand side of the steering column. Showing you the steering wheel now, beautifully constructed steering wheel. We also have the heated steering wheel function there as well, next to your voice command button, and on the left hand side is where you can see the adaptive cruise control buttons. Into the middle now, we have a lovely cup holder section there with different grommets inside, so you can adjust the depth. Wireless charging for your mobile phone, different buttons there to adjust the volume of the audio. We have a cubby hole there including 2 more USB-Cs, and this beautiful sync infotainment system. You can see we have Bluetooth, so for your telephone, we have your radio, your satellite navigation, your vehicle settings, mobile apps including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, P for self-parking. We have different charging screens, preconditioning, driver assistance pack, and as you can see, it's all there. But it's a fantastic screen, and the software is very easy to understand. I've really enjoyed the last hour or so just getting used to it all. You've got selectable drive modes there, and the party piece for this screen, if I can just reach across, you can go like that, unlock it and pull it downwards, so you can have it in the upright position, or you can slant it down like so. Very, very cool indeed. So that is the Perkins Garage's first look at our first Ford Capri Premium. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you need any more information, please do give me a call on 01376 550 899. Goodbye for now.